Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly. I'm excited to introduce a project-based learning unit designed for fourth grade science. We're going to call this unit Design a Habitat Zoo Exhibit. For this project, students are going to take on the role of zoologists and exhibit designers as they research animals and its habitat, then collaborate to build a model of a zoo exhibit that meets their animals' needs. This unit is extremely engaging because it gives students a real-world purpose and choice. Not only are they learning about animals, they're applying what they learn to solve a problem. Designing a zoo exhibit that supports both animals' welfare and education. Research shows that project-based learning increases motivation and deepens students' understanding in science. Students get to work in teams and developing collaboration and communication skills. Since the project mimics real-world jobs, it helps increase retention and transfer of knowledge. This unit will challenge students on multiple levels of Bloom's taxonomy. A review shows by Thomas that PBL student supports higher order thinking skills by giving students complex tasks that require analysis, evaluation, and creativity. That's all included in this unit. First, they're going to remember and understand key concepts by doing research on the animal's needs and habitats. Then, by applying that knowledge by selecting appropriate features for the exhibit, then move on to analyzing environmental and design constraints. They evaluate their plans for effectiveness and finally create a physical or digital model of their exhibit. Throughout the unit, students reflect on their progress and adjust designs as needed, which will help them deepen their critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. By the end of the unit, students will have a strong understanding of animal adaptations, ecosystems, and the human impact on wildlife. There is also strong evidence that project-based science units like this one leads to real-world academic growth. In a large study, Harvest and colleagues found that students in PBL outperformed their students in traditional classrooms. By the end of the unit, students will have a strong understanding of animal adaptations. Got a little ahead of myself, guys. Sorry about that. The most important thing is that they will gain experience with the proper research, design thinking, and collaboration together. I'm really excited to use this in my future classroom because it transforms science into a hands-on, minds-on experience, which is my personal favorite and the best way I learn. So I want to use that to help others. It's meaningful, student-centered, and aligns with both NGSS and the fourth grade science standards. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you're just as inspired as I am, and I'm really excited about this.